All right, guys, this is RD Techie, and usually we'd be unboxing this thing. Let me grab it. Unboxing this thing over on there, on that table right there. I'm gonna put the bottle down. Don't need that. But the issue is, as you can see, it's arranged a bit. So if I move a little bit, you might be able to see. There's actually a new monitor there because stuff moved around, and that means I don't have a table for this unboxing, and it is the unboxing of the Yi 4K action camera, which is a bit of an investment in YouTube and videos in general, I think. So I don't know how that's gonna go about. So what I'm gonna do is unbox this. I'm just basically gonna cut it open and take the stuff out and just put it all over the table. So right now, we're gonna go to the intro, and I'll see you guys on the other side. All right, so like I said, this is the Yi 4K action camera. I got this from Amazon, and we're gonna cut right into it. And this is kind of weird for me to do because I'm used to having it on the table and not stabbing myself, and yeah, it's stuff, right? So it's just details. So I'm just cutting right into it. The reason I got this cam is I'm using a DSLR, and I'm proud with cameras. I'll tell you right now, I like taking pictures, but I'm absolutely useless. On a side note, if you know a decent, easy to use like tutorial series or a course online for like a beginner to pick up with DSLR stuff, I'd love to know. But when it comes to stuff like exposure and aperture and shutter speed and ISO, I am completely useless. So I'm just basically trying new things every video, and you can see that, which is kind of not the best way to start doing this seriously. So I'm just same thing no matter where you put it. So I actually don't need it here. So this is the Yi action camera, 4K action camera. I didn't get the mount, I didn't get the waterproof case or anything. It does have all those things. It has everything a GoPro has. I didn't get any, including the tripod, because I don't intend to use it outside as much, at least for ages. We're gonna be stuck inside, and I'm gonna be using this to see if I can make videos for YouTube. So I'm gonna put this way over there, right? Okay, all right, so this is the package. There's really no seal, which I don't like. I mean, I think everything should come with a seal that tells you, hey, oh, there is a seal, never mind. There's a seal right there. I'm gonna cut right through. Not a lefty, but yep, there you go. Good enough cut, that'll do. Let me just, wait. Okay, maybe that wasn't a good enough cut. You don't send your left hand to do a right hand's job, right? It's just not gonna work. Okay, so the seal is now cut. And I'm so, there's another seal. Okay, so maybe my, I'm still, oh yeah, that worked. I was just stabbing it in there. So definitely has seals. It had 2 seals, so that's great. But there it is. That is the camera. You get a preview of the camera. I don't really know where to hold to get this thing, so I'm gonna just use the side. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna leave that right on that table. Guys, it's out of focus right now, but I will bring it up just in a sec. You get your thank you for your love with Yi technology. So these guys this is owned by Xiaomi. Redmi, Xiaomi, they're all same company after all. It's the same umbrella. These guys are owned by Xiaomi itself. This is the warranty card. Is there a warranty? Yeah, there's a warranty card and then a promotional pamphlet with different devices and a sort of like a business card thing. Okay, and this is the manual. I'm gonna leave that on the side because I don't think I'll need it, but I'm not sure. You can never be sure. And then you get the battery and the connector to charge, I believe, the battery. So you put this in there and then you do it. So let's get to the meat of the parcel, which is, I'm gonna put the battery back in here. this is the camera. So I'm just gonna open this bad boy up. What the hell? Ah. Thank God for not cutting my nails. There you go. That was a lot more. Wait, that is the whole camera. That's it. I thought this was like hiding half of the camera. This is it. This is tiny. This is super duper tiny. I did not expect it to be so small. Look at that. That's my watch, all right? Camera. Watch, camera. It's tiny. I'm telling you, it's insane. I love it. It's got a touchscreen back, but first we gotta put down. The thing is, I don't think I have a card for this. I need to buy a card. Yay, more stuff to shop. But if you guys know of a specific series of cards, do let me know. I would love to. Do not remove pull tab. Shit, am I supposed to pull this tab? It says do not remove, then it says pull tab. So is it saying do not remove or pull tab? It is hot. That is, if you see sweat, that's why I'm sweating. I'm not really sure. I think I might have to. No, I'm not pulling it. I don't know. I'm not pulling it. Okay, I went in really sweet, so. Okay, is that it? You should probably read the manual. Look at this, me reading a manual. It tells you everything except for like, oh, it's telling me in German. Wunderbar. Where's English? It's all German. It is all in German. Oh Lord. Oh, there we go. Insert battery. Open the battery card by following 3 steps. Insert the battery to remove the battery. Okay, so it says inserting the battery is fine. Looking at it. Okay, I'm gonna just see if it switches on. If it switches on, we didn't have to pull it off, right? So, oh, light came on. Din, 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 din. Oh, that is cool. Has a little logo pop up, and then it says camera mode. It's full touchscreen. It's beautiful that it's touchscreen. So you just change those, and it tells you a lot of things to do. Blah blah blah. English, next, location. Oh God, I'm just India. This is super hot. It is extremely, I don't know. Enjoy your youth. It is pretty sweet, I gotta say. It's not gonna take a picture because I don't have a card in it because it just said no card. So, but it is insane. There's like, you have all these sliders and you know, you can change the mode, you can choose up to 4K, you have like image stabilization, stuff like that. I'll get into it when I do another video. But this is super sweet and tiny. I thought it was bigger than this. When I saw the on the online thing, I thought it was much bigger than this, but this is awesome. And I'm gonna be doing an overview / review of this using, well, I guess I'll be using this in a couple of videos and we'll see how it is and then do a review of it down the road. But this was awesome, but we gotta do this, right? I'm gonna do this for all you guys. Okay, now this bit, okay? This is what you get. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Right, that's it. So that's the Yi 4K action camera. It is got 12 megapixel sensors, and honestly, it's way too tiny compared to what I thought, but it is awesome. I think it's just pressing home and yeah, switches off. Brilliant, I love it. So that's it. If you like the video, hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, and I'm also testing out this mic, this lavalier mic, lapel mic. I don't know if that's better or not. We'll find it in post, and got that on the backup though, just as a backup. But hopefully soon I'll have a shelf up and we won't have to worry about, we'll get our table back. But if you prefer this angle more, do let me know and I'll try to, figure something out. But that's it. Hope you all having a fantastic week. This is RD Techie saying goodbye. Stay safe, stay home, stay healthy, wear a mask, and wash your damn hands. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.